Struggling to get views on your YouTube channel, even with just 100 subscribers, you can still go viral. Yes, but that will only be possible if you're able to carry out a few settings and do some few tricks that I'm going to be showing you today. So on this video today, I'm going to be giving you some very 5 important strategies that you can use and implement on your channel, then use for you so that you can be able to start getting views on your videos if you have not been getting views. So you want to make sure you stay to the end of this video to see exactly how you can use these 5 strategies to improve your views. And this can also work for YouTube, for new YouTubers, especially those who just started. Yes, new YouTubers, this strategy can also help you go viral. So you want to make sure you stay to the end of this video to see exactly how you're going to do that, because I'm going to be giving you in a very stepwise process, so you don't want to jump from this video and miss out on those steps. So some time ago I used to struggle a lot with my videos. I never used to have videos. The only videos I used to have were the videos for my family, my friends, my neighbors, and trust me when I say those people are not your real audience. And I found out this strategy. I used it for a few of my videos, and I won't lie you that when I used this strategy, I was just expecting that boom, it was just going to start booming and my videos were just going to start seeing traction and getting attention and views. But when it did not happen for a short period of time, I was really frustrated. I almost lost hope. In fact, I just forgot about it. After some time, when I came back to check that video, I saw that video started getting traction. It started getting views slowly. Then I started implementing these steps when I was creating my videos, and trust me when I say it started showing me, giving me views, and I started seeing some improvement. So what I'm trying to say all here is that you need to be patient, okay? Because it's not, when you implement the strategies, you don't just expect that it's just going to start working immediately. You need to take time. It's going to take a little bit of time. Then from there now, you are going to start seeing results. And when the results starts coming, as long as you're consistent with your content creation and you're able to implement this strategy, then trust me, you are going to start having views. And for you to have this, you need to make sure that your content, you have engaging content. You need to create engaging content and be consistent. It's not just about making these settings and then you just sit and think it is going to work for you. You need to work. You need to create engaging content that resonates well with your audience. And so before we continue, hi there guys, welcome to this channel. If this is your first time of seeing me, hello. And don't forget to become a member of this beautiful family by clicking on that subscribe button. And if this video is for exactly what you want to watch, go on ahead and give it thumbs up. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. Before we jump into the main point, I'm going to give you the reasons why views are important for your channel's growth. So the very first point is that it increases your visibility. The more views you get, or the more view counts you get out there, the more people are going to watch your videos, and this is going to increase your visibility because many more people are going to watch your content. So it increases your visibility when you get more views. Secondly is that it boosts your credibility. When you have a higher view count on your channel or on your videos, it's going to make your content to be trustworthy. People are going to trust your content. They believe that what you're producing is very good, and it's going to make you have authority in the choosing niche. And thirdly is that it's going to improve your ranking with the algorithm. Like, a lot of people confused. They say they want to be able to capture the YouTube algorithm, they want to work for the algorithm, but the mistake you don't know is that you need to work on your content. YouTube algorithm follows what the viewers behavior. So when you create engaging content that resonates well with your content or with your viewers, and then when you watch, the first viewer comes and watches to the end, the second comes and watches to the end, the next comes and watches to the end, it's going to show the YouTube algorithm that this content is actually good and that they should push it to more people out there. And now the last point is monetization. The more views you get, we all know that you need to reach a required amount to be able to have a particular requirement to be able to be part of the YouTube Partners program, which is 1,000 subscribers and about 3,000 watch hours. So the more views you get, it's going to help you to increase your watch time hour, and then you can now be able to reach the YouTube requirements to get monetized. Now jumping in straight into the main important part of the video is that firstly, you need to make sure that you create evergreen and trending topic. The reason why I say you should create trending and evergreen topic is because trending topic makes your video to get view out there. When I say trending topic, I don't just mean any trending topic at random. You need to look for trending topics in your niche. That is topics that are trending in your niche. So that it's not like you're going to, like, for example, maybe your niche is cooking. then you see that a trending topic on comedy is actually popular, is actually working out there, then you go and take that content on comedy, and then which you have a cooking channel, then you're going to put it in your cooking channel. That is not going to work. So you need to look for trending topics in your particular niche and use. Then evergreen topics are like topics that throughout the season people are going to watch, no matter the period, people are going to watch it. For example, I think the most one of the most evergreen topic on YouTube that I know is how to get 1,000 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours. So this is an evergreen topic on YouTube that is always going to be evergreen, because people keep on joining YouTube every day. People keep struggling to make money on YouTube. So they'll want to look for ways that they can be able to get to that 3,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. And the second one is for you to optimize your thumbnails and your titles. Like, thumbnails and titles are also very, very important. Okay, before you start creating this trending topic, you need to make sure that you have gotten a suitable topic for your or title for your video, and a very, very attractive thumbnail, because these are the things that are going to make someone want to click on your video, that really create a question in the viewer's mind. Like, when they see your thumbnail, that what is this video about, it is going to make them to click the video, because they want to get more information. So your thumbnail needs to be very bold so that it can attract your audience. Then your title too needs to be attractive. Like, it needs to be, you need to craft it in a way that is really engaging, and then everybody that jumps on, that goes through your topic, will want to click on your video to watch. Then the second now is engagement. Okay, like, you need to engage with other YouTubers. You want to make sure that you collaborate well with other YouTubers. So what I'm trying to say is, when you create content or you collaborate with another YouTube creator, when they post up the videos on their channel, you're going to share your audience together. They're going to link up the other person's YouTube link on their channel, where it can cause their own views to come now and start looking at your channel, and then you also drop their own link on your channel, where it's going to cause your own views to now viewers or audience now to go and start looking at their content. So this is another point that is very important for you to always do collabo with other YouTubers to be able to grow faster and get more views. Then another point is going to be for you to leverage your YouTube shorts. Like, you need to make good use of YouTube shorts. YouTube shorts are a very important and a very fast way for you to grow on YouTube, because this video has a higher probability of being pushed out there to other creators. Since it is very short, it's going to cause more people to view it. It's going to make more people to watch it. Then the YouTube algorithm now has a tendency of pushing shorts more faster out there than long form content. So you can just create snippets of videos on your YouTube channel. Then you create the link of the long, then you create a link, or you copy the link of the long form video and paste them under your shorts. When someone watch the short, they need more information, they are now going to click on that link to take them to your long form video. So the next point is for you to increase your watch time and retention. And how can you do this? So to do this, you need to make sure that you create very engaging content. Like, you need to make sure that your content resonates well with your audience out there. You don't just create content just because you want to create content. You need to know how important this content is to somebody out there, how it's going to help them, because nobody comes to YouTube here to waste their time. They are here to either have fun, to laugh, or to search for value. So when you create content that resonates well with your viewers, it's going to make them to watch your video from the beginning to the end. This way, it's going to increase your watch time, and it's also going to increase your retention. So I hope these strategies are going to help you to improve your views. So let me know in the comment section which of these steps you have been using, or which one do you intend using. And in case you have any question, just drop it in the comment section, because you know I always love to hear from you guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to become a member of the family. So thank you so much for watching. Go on ahead and click on the screen, and I'm going to see you in the next video.